Otisa, Otisa, Eradie, Otisa, Nasu, Otisa, yeah, Otisa, Eradie, Otisa. Once again, welcome to Minister Ivan's piano class. Now we are coming to teach you something very powerful that will help your piano play and make you a pro in just 5 minutes. Okay. Please like this video, put your comments in the comment section, subscribe to this channel if you have not, because you are missing a lot. And say yes, you've been to me in keyboard. Almost say won't to me in keyboard, right? Bibinti or bias won't to me. One case who say won't to me, but I'm telling you the truth that you have not met a master. You have not yet met that mentor who can lead you to the road. Only if you wish. You just call my number 054 193 1255. You can call for our mentorship, you can call for our VVIP page, and by the time I do 2 weeks we're in chain. Keyboard I'm telling you the true fact, because that is what is happening and people are giving us testimonies, and I've been posting the testimonies. Okay, so if you have seen some, it's good, but if you have not seen some, you will see some soon as you subscribe to this channel. 054 193 1255. Call me for your mentorship and for your VVIP page, and God bless you. Now let's move on. Where baby kakrebi am the man for strings. Now all boss strings I am in the bebre. Who me and then so do re mi na so. Where me do I'm a debo. I'm playing on F, right? I'm playing on F, and I'm singing on C sharp. It's my finding way mount some chords me. Otisa. Oh. Otisa. Eradi. Otisa. Nasu. Otisa. Yeah. Otisa. Eradi. Otisa. Zede ya chinkwe Atiza yeah Tiya na yanko now Atisa Tedi tambi awoko so bi abetuma bo re answer Atisa Wetuma bo so ni say Otisa, on said I'm boy, Sophie. Otisa, young Kobe man. It's when a part like something like an accidental chord. A bounce on your number. Would you trim something like a passing chord? Otisa, because when it's all because we didn't care bounce at Nipanas as a canon. Sophie, Rubble Ray on the left, and I feel I do. Like I said, chord way. Otisa, as well so now bet me the soul, Lati, I can rain on air, no actually with some now if you have away. Otisa, Mamma Chow, who was so now. I'll choose them here. But I get to go here. I am me a sudden, now strings, and remember what they did. Once I'm a boy, Mijina home. With your strings, studio strings, a Jina, a movie called the right place, and never soon soon never. What you say? Strings or pattern. Ube to me a friend, a mentor, a chiro. There are patterns who young Bobby be aqua. Ube's all boss strings and power be more. I will say, unya strategy. I will say unya the pattern of strings. And yet the day when you know obo progression now obo course. Your pattern, your even time beats are the strings. Your tempo beats are like say tempo, time beats are obo. What kind of team sometimes when you say time beat we so and nipan what move once or told you na move ya now ma adena the day and we will teach you because you have been playing on radio on TV and like all places for a very long time and it's time say you try there no right into no young kwe otisa faster what's the way this one left in this so no abo way la ti re plus mi. So my board strengths is also me also me say it's very necessary so very so and our settings is who has strengths and make sure so what sustain it. Now my next time make sure settings. Please subscribe. So unsubscribe here, make sure settings more on how to set powerful strings. No way. So la, so ti, re mi, otisa. And so about me, it is it. Otisa. That's a way I will. Now abeka we no Latin re no ubo we na ubo we na ubo mi ni wi a na bo si uru we na ba si no mi otisa mi so la do ube tu sa bon sa otisa and ti mi la na bonze la ti re and mi no bo mi si ti now do we na count otisa ton ubo we na no we na but radie no ba fa lado otisa re fi lado because oba so ene ube china osa ene fa fi so masa bo so otisa masa bo biem ti mi la for the base no bo we wait for T, no but wait for me. See, T, re for me. Otisa, now for Basro. Era, do mi so. Era dia, oba for more come fano. Do more fa and la. Otisa, we said era dia. That's what we Sophie all left to but over me read say and so about fee still an wage in a real filado and then over someone do tifa over some do so era me re on the left, me re no boy, Sophie in the same thing. What is so do me plus so and then what is we re do the ending no. Well, so or bass, but we were on a higher octave, no. So, so boy, la re fa, fa ba do, so do mi. Otisa na su, ya chikwa. Mami mo we ni chobi. Otisa, fi, so fi, re, na boy me. Re down so and the dear far so tea the be all in this song worship my holy do a call, you can call 054 193 1255 and you can reach us for your mentorship and join your VVIP page 054 193 1255. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, put your comment under the comment section. God bless you. I love you.